Hello, guys. This is Ankur here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. So, today it will be a short video, and the video is dedicated for the investment purpose. And the stock which I selected is NBCC. Now, the full form of NBCC is National Building Construction Corporation Limited. Basically, this company is engaged with the consultancy, project management consultancy for the civil construction in power sector, real estate. You can take the snapshot of the PPT which is there in front of you, and you can go through it peacefully and read it about. It's a small description about NBCC, correct? Coming to the second slide, this is the shareholding pattern of NBCC. The 61.75% is held by the promoters, 24.61% is held by public, it's a free float, 10.64% is held by the domestic institutional investors, and 2.97% is held by FII, foreign portfolio investors. So there is no pledging as far as NBCC is concerned. The shareholding is quite flat, 61.75%, and the data is from the March 2020. The top five peers of NBCC are DLF, Godrej, Macrotech, which is also known as Loaded Developers, and Obura Reality. Currently, the company is active in few cities like Gurgaon, Calcutta, Ghaziabad, New Delhi, Patna, Bangalore. Right? These are the some national achievements of NBCC, which you can again take a screenshot and go through it peacefully. And other than national, company has also done some work in overseas in other countries such as Iraq, Nepal, Baghdad, Libya, Yemen, Turkey, right? And recently, last month, perhaps I think around 13th of April, the company is also was awarded by for their one of the engagement as a project management consultancy for the construction of FCL office building at Noida Sector 1. So this is the latest achievement of the company. So these are the few things which is just over highlight, a key highlight on NBCC. As far as the volumes are concerned, the volumes are very good. The average volume, if you see, is around 1.22 CR. So it's a good liquid counter. It is not manipulated and not easy to manage by someone and a single person. And the average delivery is also quite decent. It's around about 35%. So it's a liquid counter with a healthy delivery on a daily basis. Now coming to the chart very quickly, this is the weekly chart of NBCC. NBCC showing early signs of bottoming out, and it has given a breakout of three things, three to four things. So, what are the three to four things? Let me just highlight with the pen here. So, firstly, after a long time, NBCC has given a breakout of 200 weekly exponential moving average, which is highlighted in this sea green color, right? This color. So it has given a breakout of 200 weekly exponential moving average. Coming to the second breakout, NVCC has given a breakout of a Gann wave 3 bar 1, which is this one, right? Another point, this is a triangle pattern which you can see which is coming from the top, and there are two resistance line to the triangle pattern. One of the triangle pattern is overlapping with the Gann wave 3 bar 1, right? Next point, the stock has also given a breakout of 23.6% of Fibonacci retracement, which is the again one more signal of bottoming out. Coming to the next point, the stock has created a inverted head and shoulder just at the moment at the junction of the breakout. So this is your one shoulder, this is your head, right, and this is your another shoulder. So this is called inverted head and shoulder. So the neckline is this, and if the stock moves from here, gives a breakout, it will touch 64. Right now, the stock price is 49.80. So roughly 25 to 28% kind of a return we can expect in NBCC. And if you look at the peers of the NBCC, So if you see DLF, Godrej, Macrotech, overall reality, valuation wise, NBCC is quite pocket friendly. It is just 49 rupees, 49.80. And look at the price of like DLF, like roughly say 298, 1400, 670, 648. So it is a perfect candidate for a long term holding, right? Now, the stop loss you can keep at 44 rupees, or the another stop loss you can keep the head of the this inverted head and shoulder, which would be roughly around 39 to 41. So 39 to 41 could be your one stop loss, and 44 could be a bare minimum, a very aggressive stop loss. And with the stop loss of 44, right now the stock is 49.80. We are targeting the price of 64 rupees. So keep an eye on NBCC. It can give a very powerful breakout, like I suggested in Container Corporation and BPCL and Bajaj Finance. So you can see those videos, you can see Reliance videos, how the breakout works so powerfully. You can look at Voltas for that purpose. I suggested Voltas at 1019 and it went all the way to 1118, right? Almost like 10% kind of a movement. So here the first target should be 25%. When you get the 25% at 64, book some profit, get a cost average, and go for 79. That is should be the next target. So it is at the verge of breaking out. Keep an eye on NBCC. This could be a very favorable risk reward stock. So if you guys find it interesting, please do share it with your colleagues, your friends, and please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you for watching Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View.